to sell to you for a while?
All right, Ritter!
All right, check.
You're on, Ritter.
Hey, ladies and gentlemen, look in here now. We really got a nice blue Jet applicator. Got the bigger 1,800 gallon tank on it. You could do 16 rows if you don't want them wings. You can run it with the wings up or just take them off if you want a little smaller unit. But take a look at the blue Jet. Ready to go for you. Got the big tires on it, and you hear everybody going to 28. Look in. What do you want to do on it? Something can be about 25,000. 25,000. Let me get down here and see where the internet is. Hey, 14, 20, 14 bit, 16, 17, 17 doesn't have been a 17, doesn't have been a 17, 17, hello, 16, 5, now 17, 8 bit 17, 17, 5, now 18, 18, now 18, 5, 18, 5, 19, 20, you're out internet, 8 bit 20, now 21, 8 bit 21,000, 21, 8 bit 22, now 23, 33. Hey, if you remember them motors, the first one's always the cheapest. 22, now 23, 22, 5, 22, 5, out of it, 23, 4, 5, 8 bit 25, 24, 5, now 5, now 6, 8 bit 26, 25, 5, I know what you're thinking. That's 25, 5, now 26, 7, at 27,000 out of into 7, 7 out of into 7, 27,000 out of into 7, 7, oh, about an $80,000 rig up down. 27's it. Hey, but 27,000. Good 7. I got the bidder on you next lot. Now 8. Cam, you run the next lot. The next lot bidder is 28. Now 9. 29, but a 9, 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 9, 9. At 29,000. I got 28 bid. 28.5. I'm gonna go. You bet, Rick. We'll see you at the tire. 28.5. 28.5. You all had a fair chance. Hey, but a 28.5. Sold at 28,000. 35112. 35112. Hey, we're up to the twin tanks. Take a look right here. What on the bid on them? Right there you go. I got 3,200 bid. Give me 35. Yeah, 35. Not a bid. 35. 35. Now 7.5. Yeah, 7.5. Not a bid. Somebody. Not a bid. Now 35 bid. Now 7.5. You're out internet. My bid. It's 35. Now 7.5. It's 7.5. Not a bid. Somebody. Not a bid. Anybody else? What about 37.50? That's 2 tanks and a gear for $37.50. Anybody else? What about $37.50? 35 is the bid, number 59. Sell the next one. Turn the page. I got 35 on the internet on this one. Give me 37.5. 37.5. 36. Or you wanting to do it? 3,600 out of be able to 6 now 7. 37.7 out of we're with one guy there.
Yeah.
36 now 7. 3,700 out of bid 7. 7 out of bid 7. You're out internet. 3,700. 3,700 out of bid 7. 7 out of bid 7. 7 out of bid 37. Same man. 3,659. Ladies and gentlemen, we're back to the other applicator. Take a look right here. Take a little time. Give me 30. We just lined them up. Maybe 30, 30, out of bid 30. Right, here we go. 18 now 20. 20, don't out of bid, don't out of bid, don't out of bid, now. Oh no, now 22. Now 24. 24, roll, out of bid, the boat, 24, roll 4. 22, 23. 23 to bid, 3 to bid, 3. Now 4, now 6. 26 out of bid, 6, 6, 6. You can pull her on up and keep her at night. Okay, we're gonna move. 26,000. Hey, I got 24 bid, 25. 25 to bid, not sitting on every corner. 25. 25, now 26, now 26, 26, 6, 6, 6, 7, 7, 7, 7, 8, 8, 8, 28,000 out of bid, 8, 8, 8, 28 out of bid, 8, 8, 8, out of bid, 8, 8, 8, 28,000, 28 out of bid, 8, 8, 8, out of bid, 28, 28, 29, 9, 9, 9, 9, yeah, 29 out of bid, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 28 bid, now 9, 20 out of bid, 9, 9, 9, out of bid, 9, bid, 9, now 30, 30 out of bid, 30, you were right, Rick. 5, 29.5, come to the sale, you get to be told you're right. 29.5, 29.5, 29.5, last chance. What about 29.5? 29,000, bidder number 21825. Hey, right here, big sunflower, 50 footer, take a look right here, double fold, got the hydraulic hitch and the hydraulic in the back and the 5-bar Harris gauge wheel. What a unit right here, you may have about 15,000. 15,000 to go. 5 now, 10. Hit 5 now, 6 out of bid, 6 out of bid, 6, 6, 6. Hey, 6,000. 6 out of bid, you went in 6, now 7. 7 out of bid, 7 out of bid, now 8, 8, 8, now 9, now 9, now 10 out of bid, 10, 10. 11 out of bid, 11 out of bid, 10, 5. 10, 5 out of bid, 10, 5 out of bid, 5 out of bid, 5. 10, 5 out of bid, 5 out of bid, 10, 5. 10, 5 out of bid, 5 out of bid, 5, 10, 5 out of bid. 50 footer for 10,500. Are you looking? 10 5, 10 5 out of in the bottom in the 5, 10 5 out of in the baby, 10 5. Right here, 10,000, 251, 251. All right, ready to go on this sunflower. Take a look right here, guys. Lot 1, 1137. The nice sunflower has a basket behind the disc. Got the, hey, take a look. Beautiful unit here. Hey, but about 20,000. Rear hitch and all, give me 20. Yeah, starter here at 15. 15, 10,000. My goodness, now 11. 10 out of bid, 11 out of bid, 12. 12, what you say? Are you talking to me? 12,000. 12 out of able to do, able to do, able to do. 11 5, now 12. 11 5 out of bid, do, out of bid, now 12 5, able to 13, 13 5. Watch over here, Keith. 13 5. Your ball out on this side. Now 14, Eric. 14 to yours, helping, Eric. You had eyes in the back of your head. I forgot. 14 now, 14 5, 15. 15 to, hey, it's a $25,000. Hey, 15 16. 15 5, sir. 15 5 out of in the bottom, in the bottom, in the border, and the sale, guys. 15 5. I don't know what you're doing. They're 85,000. 15,500 now, 16, 16, 16. There's a good buy. There's the best soil finish you can buy. 16 grand. Now 16 5. 16 5. Now in the bottom, in the bottom, in the bottom, 16 5. And but mama 16 5. Internet, you're out. Go to your way, 16,000. Goodbye.
326.
326. 326. Hey, another sunflower right there. Take time. I don't know where there. Got the rear hitch, got everything. What do you want to be right there? Give me 5,000 there. That's not the minimum 5. It's a 45 footer. 5 grand. That's 5 out of in the bottom in the 5. Able to buy 2 3. 3 out of in the 3. In the 3 3 4 4 5. Able to buy. Able to buy. Rick 5 now 6 now 7. 7 out of in the 7. 7 out of in the 7. 7 out of in the 7. 7 out. Where you buy that big for 7 grand? Nowhere on them shanks or anything now. Take a look. 7,000 all. 7 out of bed. 65. 6,500 out of bed. The bottom in the 5. 6,500 out of bed. The 5. 6,500 out of bed. It's 6,500 out of bed. The bottom in the 5. Rick won't anymore. 6,500. 6,500. 6,500. My goodness, get behind this spring. One other tool. 6,500. Are you looking? 65 out of bed. The bottom in the 5. 6 right here. Number 376. 376. All right, take a look right here. We are ready to go. It is a mulch finisher, the Kent, you bet, the Kent mulch finisher right here. And we are ready to go on lot 1139. 1139, what a unit right there. Give me about 5, about 10,000. 5 to go. I'll let you in 2. 2,000.
1,000.
Oh, 1,000 now 2. 1,000 now 2. You're out, internet. I got 1,000 bids now 2. Boy, you want to open some ground. My goodness. I know. 1,500. 1,500. Get some good soybeans. Good level tool. 1,500 bucks. 1,000. Able to 1,500. Now 2,000. 2 to be able to do. 17 and a half. Now 2. 1750 now 2. It's a Kent now. Take a look. No springs to wear 2. 22 and a half. Next block got in. They're all waking up. Good morning. 2250. 2250. Not able to 22. 50 out of it. 22 and a half. Out of it. Half. Now 2,500. 2,500 out of it. In the bottom. In the bottom. In the 25. 2,500. What?
23.
Okay, 23, 24. I'm working for the seller. 23, 4. 24 internet, you're out. We're in a little bite. $2,400 on a soil finisher. My goodness. 2,400. 2,400 out of bed. 400 out of bed. 24. What about 2,400? Go to Rick's Way, 2,300.
425.
425. Ladies and gentlemen, look at this now. Come in from Scott Farm. A wonderful vertical tillage tool here. Take a look, 2623. It's almost 30 foot, 29.3. And he was the second owner. Very little use. Look in here now. Got the basket on the back. You got your basket, you got everything. Hey, give me 35,000. It's 35 down a minute, 35, 35 down a minute. You got 35, give me 30. 30 down a minute, 30, 30 down a minute, 30 down a minute, 30 down. Oh, we'll start where you want. Have a lot of fun. I got 15, now 20. 20 grand, wake up. Hey, but 20 now, 25. 22, now 25. 25, sir. 25 down a minute, about a minute, 29, but 25, 25, 25 down a minute, 5, 5, 5. What do you say, Robert? 23? 23 down a minute, 30 minute, 30, 30, 30 down a minute, 23 down a minute. Hey, look what you're buying. 100,000 up, down. 23 grand. 22.5, 23, now 23.5, 24, 24, now 5, now 25,000's off, Keith. 25,000, there's a buy of the day right there. 25,000 with the reel. Them guys won't go wrong. They should be betting. Gauge wheels off, 25, now 25.5. 25.5. Somebody's going to be a new owner, and man, them stocks going to love you. 25.5. 25.5 down a minute, even a buy, even a buy, even a mama, 25.5. Sold at 25,000. Number 185. Goodbye, 185. Goodbye, goodbye. All right here on the reel disc. Take a look right here on the big reel disc. Brought in here by Craig there. What do you want to bet there? Hey, give me about 10,000. 5 to go. Hey, but a buy, down a minute, 5. 2 now 25. 2,500 on a bit. We're at 2,500 on the big. Now 3. Now 35. Hit 35. 4 now 5. Rick, you're out, Rick. Hit 5 down a minute, 5. I got 4 to back. Act at 5. Now 6. Now 7. 7 down a bid. 8. 8 down a bid. 8 down a bid. That tool will do a lot of work. 8 down a bid. 75. Internet, haven't heard from you. 7,500 is the mic working. 7,500. 7,500 out of in the 5 out of in the 7,500 on my bid in the back. 7,500. 7,500 out of it. Hey, good to see you, Dan. 7,500. 7,500 out the other Dan. 7,500 out of me. But if I I'm gonna go. 7,500. Hold it in the back. 7,000 and his number's 215. 215. Hey, you talk about a sweetheart of a little Kinze. Come in from the Hinshaw boys. They just got a little different one. We got corn units inside, monitors inside. Make sure, if you didn't hear the announcement, a lot of books. A lot of times I burn books, okay? But just check in the trailer inside in that where they store the beans, where they're cooking. There's a trailer in there. Please pick up your monitors, your books, everything. Very nice little Kinze right here to start with. 2005. Got the 1-spike closing wheel and the corn unit. What do you want to do? Somebody give me 30,000. 30,000! What you got? 20. Well, you got to be a little higher. The internet's 24, 22.5. 23 will put you in. Now 4. I'm back there. You're out. Now 5. Now 6, Rick. 26 out of me. 25, 5. 25, 5. Now 6. Now 7. 27, 7 out of 7. I got 26 over next lot. 27. 26, 5. Now 27. 27,000 out of 7. Now 8. 8. Now 8. Now 8. Now 27, 5. 27, 5. Now 8. 28 out of 8. 8. 8. Now 8. 5. 28, 5 out of 8. I got it back here now 9. 29, better 9, better 9, better 9, better 9, now 95, now 30. Hit 30 out of 30. Your turn, sir. 30,000. Hit 30 out of 30. Now 5. Hit 30,000. Now 1. Hit 31,000 out of it. Now 1, 5. 30 now 2. 32 out of it. Do out of it. Do now 5. 32, 5. 32, 5 out of it. 32, 5. 32,500. I got a bidder right here. They're selling the planter. 32, 5. Ought to be up there about 33. Down 4. Hit 4 down a minute. 4 down a minute. 4 now 5. 35. 35 next lot. Now 36. 36 down a minute. Now 6. Now 6 down a minute. 36. Tell you what, the tulips are popping. The trees got the buzz. We ain't got time to drive around. Now 7. You betcha. 37. If you're planning 30 days, you're late. 36 now 7. Hit 7 down a minute. 7. Sorry, planning check. 37. 37 down a minute. 7. 7 down a minute. 7 down a minute. 7 down a minute. Now 8. 38 down a minute, sir. You're out again, Rick. 38 down a minute. 8. 8. 8. 8 down a minute. Now 9. 39 down a minute. 9. Now 9 down a minute. 9. Now 9. Now 9. Now 9. Hit 39 internet. I got the timer on. 39. The sand's going down. 39. 1 of it 9. Now 40. Hit 40 down a minute. 40 down a minute. 40 down a minute. 40 down a minute. 40. Hit 40 down a minute. Now 40 now 1. Hit 41 down a minute. Almost next line. Hit 41 down a minute. 1 now 1 now 1 now 1. 41,000. My goodness. Kinze, one of the good ones. 41, now 2. 42, 41, 5, sir. Here's 10. 41, 5. Now 41, 5. Now 2. 41, 5, now 2. Then 42, that's why you're out. 42, now 2, 5. 42, 5, David, 2, 5, 2, 5, 2, now 3. 43, down in the 3, 43,000. Wait a second, now 35. 43, Mike, 45. 43, 5. 43, 5, 43, 5. So it's 43,000. Number coming out.
Mine into 4 sections. Left,
35099.
and
All right, ladies and gentlemen, look at this 1790. Big one, 1632. It's a 1632. Look in right here. John Deere ready to go in a box for you in the side. What do you want to bid right there? Somebody give me 50. 50 down a bid, 50. 50 down a bid, 50 down a bid. I'll start where the internet is. 25, now 30. 30 down a bid, now 30, now 30 down a bid, now 30, now 30 down a bid, now 30. 30 down a bid, now 30. Oh, 20, let's see where I'm at. 27.5, now 30. Now 30. It's a 1790 32 row. 30,000. Aim at 30 now, 30 now, 30 down a bid on a pony one in here. 30 grand. 30 grand and then aim at 30 now, 32.5. 32.5 out of it, 32.5. You did there, now 35. Now 75. 37.5. 37.5 out of it, now 40. 40 now, 42.5. 42.5 out of it, 42. Now 45. 45, 43, 44. 44 good. 44 now, 45. 45 again, 45 again, 5. 45,000 on a 1790. I don't know where you've been going. Got the seed firmers, got everything. 44, would have been 45. 44, would have been 45. You're out, you're out, you're out. Anybody able to mama 45? You want in? Oh, I got 44 bids. You're good to go, right? 45. 45, sold it, 44,000, in the number 62. All right, ready to go in the 2,500. Oh, let's get down. This is a nice 16 row.
36.
Hey, look at that. You want a dry fertilizer planter. Look how clean that frame is for dry there. They took care of this planter. Took care of this planter. Come in from Lob Farms. The equipment's inside. Road cleaners, downforce, got it all. What would have been? Somebody give me 30,000. 30 to go. Able to 30, able to 30, able to 30. 15 now, 20. That's 20 now, 20 now, 20 now, 25 now, 30 now, 30 now, 30 now, 30. Here out, Rick, now 30. 30,000. How about 28, Rick? I'll help you. 28 out of it, 8 out of it, now 8, now 8, now 8. I got 25 bids, 28,000. We'll go your way. 26, 26. Dry planter, hard to find. 26. 25 bid now 6. That's 26,000 out of bid now 6. 6. Turntable fold. Where are you going to find another dry one in the world? 25. What about 26? 26. 25 now 6 out of bid. 6 out of bid. 6. 6. 26,000 out of bid. Anybody else? My goodness, that thing's cheap. If you're looking for a dry 16 row, there's not one any better than that planter sitting right there. 25.5. Are you out there? 25.5. 25,500. Anybody able to mama 25.5? Well, we didn't have the dry guys here. That's all right. We're gonna pass that planter. This planter is absolute coming up. So jump up and down, and here we go. Hey, 11.45. Write them bids down now for our charges. All right, and let us know if you're thinking about that. Didn't get it? Give us a call. Hey, 1790, let's get back to the sale. John Mulligan, come get
That's
your
him,
money.
I know
What do
him.
you want to do right here on the
Nothing like that.
1790 right here? Hey, 30,000. The internet's got her at 25.3. I need 26. Let's go.
26.
Now 7, now 8, 8, now 8, now 9, 9, now 30, now 1. That's 31, now 2, 3. Now 4. 34, not a bit, now 4, now 4. 33.5, now 4, now 4. 34, 34, not a bit, now 4. Traction lines, come on, now 34.5. Now 5, Eric. 35, not a bit, now 5, now 35.5. 35.5, we got 2 bidders. 35.5. Don't go break dead right here. I mean, this time plant. Now 36, Eric. 36, not a bit, now 6, now 6, now 6. I got 35.5 off the internet. Asking 36, now 36.5. It is about time to plant beans, and look at that one. 36.5. Get 36.5 out of me, David, by 8, now 7. 37 out of me, 7, 7 out of me, 7, 7 out of me, now 37. What's that? 36.5, now 7. 37. I got it, 37. 37 out of me, now 7 out of me, 7, 7 out of me, 7, now 5. 37.5, boys. 37.5. We're out everywhere. 37.5 out of me, now 8. Hit 38 out of me, 8, 8, 8, now 5. 38.5. Hit put in absolute. Now 9. Now 9. Now 39. Now 5. 39.5. 39.5. You bet now 39.5. 40. Now 40. Would you like 40, sir? 40 out of it. Now 5. 40,500. And now 1. 41. Now 1. 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 Baby, mama 41. Now 2. At 42. I got a bidder now. 41. Now 2. No. 41.5. Now 42. 42 down a bit now. Do now. Do now. Do now 5. 42.5. 42.5 down a bit now. 5. 5. Now 43. 43 down a bit now. 33. Boom. 42.5. You bought it. Higher number. 35042. 35042. Hey, sell the Kinze right here. I got 13, 1 now 15. Hit those new blades. Hey, but 15,000. Everybody come in. 15 down a bit, 15, 15, 15, 15, 15, now 20, now 20, now 20, now 20, now 20. 15 bit, 17.5. 17.5 down a bit, now 5, 5, 5 down a bit, now 17.5 down a bit, now 5, 5, 5. 17,500 on a good bean planter. Spark the drill to get the bean planted right. 17.5. 17.5. Would have been 16 on a Kinze. My goodness. 16 down a bit, now 17. 17 down a bit, now 18. 18 down a bit, 18, 18, 18, 18, 18, 18 down a bit, 18. 75, now 18, now 18.5, right back to ya. 18.5, 18.5, down a bit, now 5, now 19, 19, now 5, 19.5, now 20, 20 down a bit, now 5, 20,500, hit 5 down a bit, now 5, now 5, now 5, now 5, now 5, now 5, even at 20,500, 20,500, even on my 20,500, what do you say, internet? 20,500, weapon pack should be busy. Sold here, 20,000 number. 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4. All right, ladies and gentlemen, look here. The big Great Plains 40-foot drill. Hey, 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 we're on stag 1147. 1147. Beautiful, beautiful 40-foot drill. Got the Volmar seed rolls, rate controller, the markers. What a cover crop rig. Gonna have about 50,000. What would have been? Hey, give me 20. 20 not a minute, 20 not a minute, 20 not a minute, 20 not a minute, 20. 10,000 bucks. Hello, get your coffee park. 10 grand. We'll start where your internet's at. They got 4,100 bids, 5 grand. My goodness, you guys want to plant cover crops? Here's the rig. 5,000 bucks. 5,000 on a 40 foot. Now 6,000. 5 into 6. 6,000. 6 grand. Oh, I'm not at 60. 5, 6. 5,500 internet. My 6, 7. 7,000 out of bid. Now 8, 8, 8. 8,000 out of bid. 1 bid, 1 bid, 8, 8. 8,000 now 9. Hit 9. Ladies and gentlemen, they put it in. They're going to sell her now 10. 10, 10, 10, 9, now 10. Hit 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, now 11. The buy of the day, 11 grand. 11 grand, now 12. 12,000 out of bid, 12. Front sold. Gauge wheels, wonderful unit. Now 13. 13 down up into 14. 14 down up into 14. 14, 14, 14 down up into 14. 13 bid down 14. 13.5 internet. Is that what you're thinking? 13.5 gonna go. 13.5 down a bit. Able to buy. 13.5. 13.5. Sold at 13,000 number.
It's been years since I've been here.
326.
326, 326.
Look in here, Ritter.
Oh my goodness, the best chisel you can buy right here. Best chisel you can buy right here. What do I do for it there?
Get in now.
It is an 875, Rick.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Low acres, hydraulic bowls, got it all on the big 875 disc ripper. And it is ready to go right in here by 16. What do you want to bid right here? Somebody give me about 75,000. 60 to go. Where you want to be? 60 grand. I got 25 now, 30 now, 35, 35, 35 now, 40 now, 40 now, 45 now, 50 now, 50 now, 50. Now 5, 52, 52, gotta be a 51, 51, gotta be a 1, 1, 1, 1, gotta be now 51, 1, 1, gotta be now 51, now 2, now 3, right, 53. Eric, you're out, 53,000. Now 54, 54, gotta be the 4, gotta be the 54, 54, 54. Hey, my goodness, 54,000, my good, hundreds of thousands, and that's the one that'll do the job. 53.5. 53.5. It's not hurt. 53.5. Not a minute. 5. Not a minute. 53.5. Not a minute. 53.5. Anybody else? 53.5. Going down the road. Oh, I got a bidder. 54. 54. Now 54.5. 54.5, Tim. Or now 54.5. Now 55. 55. That is the one. Don't miss the one. That'll do the job. 55. Now 55.5. 55.5. 55.5. Now 56 there. 56. 56. Thanks for your bid. Anybody else? Would have been 56. Sold at 55.5. 35157. Tractor buyers, get over here close. Just a couple items. They'll be on that great R Series tractor. Hey, Will Rich, and you talk about a heavy rig right here. We got it. What would have been right here? Give me 10,000. On the big Will Rich. It'll never come out of the ground. That dude's tough and solid. Hey, 3 grand, now 35. 35, now 4. That 4 down in 45. Now 5,000. Hit 5 down in the 5, hit 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 the 5, down in the 5, 5, 5. That's $5,000, guys. I'm telling you, that's a Will Rich. That's a rig. It is put in absolute automatic reset, 5 grand. 45's in the back, asking 5 grand. Now 5,500, 5,500 now 6. Now 6, now 6,500, 6,500. Hey, pennies on the dollar compared to 170. 6, 6, 6. I got you at 55. 57.50. We'll do all we can for the seller, but you're gonna own it. 57.5. Hydraulic jack too. 57.50. 57.50. 57.50 out of it now 6,000. 6 Dale. Chris. Whatever your name is, Keith. 58, 59, 59, 99. I think I'm done with it. Oh, now 6,000. 6 in there. Now 62.5. 62. 59, 6,500. 6,500 out of the 5. Mom can hook it up. It's got a hydraulic jack. Sold 62.50. This was brought in by John Gintz. A very, very, very nice Great Plains drill. And what do you want to do right there? Somebody give me about $10,000 for it. $10,000. Where you want to be? Somebody started at 7 grand. Hey, 7, 7, 7, dot up into 7, 7, dot up into 7. Well, I'll start where the internet's got it. 49, now 5, now 55, now 6. Now 6. 57.5. Now 6. 6, now 62.5. Now 5, 65, now 7.5. 67.5. What's that? It does have a monitor. Now 7. You got 7 built. Now 72.5. Now 5. Now 77.5. Dot a bid. Now 8. Dot a bid. 82. You're out, Rick. 82.50. Now 5. 85. Dot a bid. Now 9. Now 95. 95. Now 10. 10. Dot a bid. 10. Now 10. 5. Dot a bid. 11. 11. Dot a bid. 11. 11. Dot a bid. 11. 11. Dot a bid. 11. Now 5. Now 12. 12. Dot a bid. 12. 12. Dot a bid. 12. 12. Try to find a better one than that one. You're going to drive and drive. 11. 5. Now 12. 11. 750, Rick. 11, 750. 750, now 12. 12, now 250. 12, 250, dot a minute, 255. 12, 5, dot a minute, 5, 5, 5, dot a minute, 12, 5. 12, 5, internet drought, even a 12, 5. 12, 5, dot a minute, here we go. Even a 12, 5, 5, 5, even a 12, 5, 12, 5, 12, 5. Anybody else? 12,250, staying local. 311 to buyer. 311. All right, look at the good disc here. Take a look right here on the big disc. We're on lot 1244. What would have been me? Hey, on a sunflower, 29 footer, 35 now 4. Hit 4 down a minute, 4 down a minute, 4 down. Thank you, 4,500. 4,500 down a minute, 555, 45, 4,500 down a minute, 555. And now 5,000 right behind him, Dale. Or Keith, I don't know why you call you Dale all day. 45 now 5. 5 down a bit, bull. 47.5 now 5, sir. He dead, now 52, 50. Watch behind there, right behind him. 52, 50 now 55. right there, 55, now 7.5. It's 7.5, not a minute, somebody, not a bit, no, in the back row, now 6. It's 6 down, not a bit, now 6, now 5. 65, not a bit, 65, not a bit, 7, not a bit up here. It's 7 down, not a bit, your turn. It's 7 down, not a bit, now 5. It's 75, not a bit, 75. 7,000 right there on the corner. Buyer number. He's getting around. Coming up, 750 drill. Wish we'd had this in the advertising, but the 750 drill come in after we advertised. 7.5 inch spacing. You got that underberth box extension, and you got the hydraulic drive, and you got markers. Hey, take a look right there. Okay, hey, baby, right there, give me right there, 15,000, 10 to go, 10 out of bid, 6, 7, 7 out of bid, 7 out of bid, 7 out of bid, now 6, now 7, 7,000 out of bid, hey, now 8, 7,500, sir, 7,500, now 8, now 85, now 9 in the back row, yeah, 9 out of bid, in the front row you went in there, 85, now 9, yeah, 9 out of bid, 1 for 9 out of bid, 9, now 9, how about 87 for day, 9, now 92 for day, 92.50 in the back row, 92.50 on a 750, 92.50 out of bid, 92.50 out of bid, 50 out of bid, you got it? 92.50, 92.50, 92.50 out of bid, 92.50, no, got it on the internet, now 95, I thought they was a coming, 9,500, I seen it in the air, 9,500 out of bid, 5, hey, but a 95, Rick, you're out, one of bid 95, sold at 92.50, internet number, here it comes. 25591. 25591. Hey, I got 100 now too. Hey, scratch some ground. $200. Hit 200. That's 200. Hit 200 out of been a do now. 200 out of been a do now. 300 out of been a 3. 2.5. 250 out of bid. Hey, you want to just scratch a wet hole open? 250. 250. Now 3. Now 3. Now half. 3.5. 3.5 out of bed, 350 out of bed, now 50 out of bed, now 4, hit 400, now 500, 500 out of bed, 500 out of bed, 500 out of bed, 5 by 5, 5 by 500 out of bed, 500. Internet's in, you're out, Keith. 1 of it 5. Now 550. That's where we had it broke. 550. Internet, you're out now. 550 out of in the next lot. 550 out of in the 50. Equipment factory being quiet. Hey, but 550, 50. Here I go. 1 of it 550. 500. You got her key.
299.
299.